Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here, and welcome to the brand new review for the Celebrate You card kit. 2 stamp sets, coordinating dies, a festive paper pad, and a plethora of vibrant complementary cardstock make the Celebrate You card kit your one-stop shop for birthday cards. Let's go ahead and take a look at the products included in this month's kit. Create the most festive birthday cards ever with this set packed with birthday imagery and greetings. Stack a towering pile of patterned presents, build a bouquet of colorful balloons, and hang joyful birthday or congratulatory banners. A smattering of stars or confetti will finish off your look perfectly, and you'll find the 2-line options to be the most versatile elements of all. Use them to create balloon strings, provide a hanging mechanism for your banners, or add a ribbon accent to your gift pile. Someone's big day deserves big recognition in the form of jumbo happy birthday wishes, complete with a candle accent. The candle and flame images are separate from the greeting to make it easy to stamp in a contrasting color or to use as a standalone accent. This set also includes 5 script sentiments for a simple and sweet follow-up to the bold focal point salutation. This set is a beautiful companion to the Celebrate You stamp set. Bold colors and a mix of goes with everything classic patterns like dots, stripes, and organic shapes, along with iconic birthday themed designs suitable for any birthday boy or girl, will make the Party Time paper pad a fast fave in your stash. And last but not least, we have a beautiful assortment of cardstock in this month's kit, including 2 sheets each of Smooth White and Craft, and 1 sheet each of Eiffel Tower, Fire Coral, Amarena Cherry, Butterscotch, Prickly Pear, Jalapeno Popper, Summer Splash, and Tropical Teal. So let's take one more quick look at everything coming in this month's kit. We have our beautiful cardstock selection. We have the Celebrate You stamp set as well as the coordinating dynamics, which will die cut all of the components in the stamp set. We have the It's Your Day stamp set along with the coordinating dies for that one as well. This one can be used with the coordinating dies or on its own with that fun party hat design. And of course we have the new 6x6 paper pad as well called Party Time. This paper pad coordinates perfectly with all of the cardstock included in this month's kit and includes 12 different festive patterns that you can use on your birthday themed cards. We also have a new free with 60 option releasing with this month's kit. Itty Bitty Birthday, they're itty, they're bitty. They make birthday cards and tags so easy and fun. The Itty Bitty Birthday stamp is an essential component of a well-rounded birthday stash. So that's a quick look at the Celebrate You card kit. There are so many great things featured in this card kit that will make birthday cards a breeze all throughout the year. We hope you enjoyed this quick look at all of the new products. The new Celebrate You card kit will be available at My Favorite Things on July 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.